मैंने अपना फेस अभी ग्लैम एंड ऑल्सो मैंने समझ गए आप? ओके, आई विल अप्लाई नेचुरल एलोवेरा. I hope you is that what wait for to read. We are trying out hacks.
Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Aditi. So, talking about today's video, as you have read by the title, we are gonna try out different viral makeup hacks which are all over internet. I have picked up 7 to 8 hacks to see if it really works or not. And also बस मैंने अपना बेस कर लिया है, इसीलिए इतना फीका फीका लग रहा है. अभी आगे आगे जो हैक्स आएंगे उससे हम अपने फेस को ग्लैम अप करेंगे. Let's dive into the video without wasting full of time. So the first hack is using natural aloe vera as the eyeshadow primer. So I have this छोटू सा aloe vera with me. Okay, तो अब हम इसको as a primer यूज करेंगे. So this one is drying out और ये अभी थोड़ा गीला है, अभी मैंने लगाया है. So अभी तो थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टिकी है. Let's wait for a minute, फिर हम आई शेडो लगाएंगे इसके ऊपर. देखते हैं if it works as a primer or not. It's been a while I have applied that natural aloe vera. So अभी तो वो dry out हो चुका है. आई शेडो लगा के देखते हैं. Should I go for blue, yellow or pink? I think I'll apply pink eyeshadow. Let's see if it really works or not. Here's the eyeshadow. मेरी eyelid बहुत heavy लग रही है. I guess because of that aloe vera thing. कोई नहीं. I have applied eyeshadow. To be honest, I am not loving the results. I don't know if you can see or not. बहुत patchy लग रहा है eyeshadow. I don't know why. So the second hack is applying the cat eyeliner thing using a bobby pin. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but I don't know. I guess it will hurt a lot. Okay. So what we have to do is apply this bobby pin on our nose. Ouch, it hurts. Okay, so I'm being so funny. Let's apply eyeliner. It's hurting a lot. Here is our liner. I'll apply it for that cat eyeliner look. You see that? I guess it's working. Okay, I'm applying it on my another eye. ये इस साइड से तो एंगल आईलाइनर लगाने का काफ़ी अच्छा आ रहा है, बट इस साइड से तो नहीं. तो आई गेस आई हैव टू स्विच, मतलब बॉबी पिन को ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. माई हैंड्स आर शिवरिंग, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. ओके, सो लेट्स रिमूव दिस. इट्स हर्टिंग अ लॉट. मेरे को यहाँ पे निशान आ गया इसका. Oh my god, never gonna do this hack because I know how to apply that cat eyeliner. तो अभी मैं आपसे अपना eyeliner पूरा करके फिर I'll see. So मैंने eyeliner पूरा complete कर लिया है. So far I am not loving the results because first वो बहुत ज़्यादा पेन कर रहा था बॉबी पिन यहाँ पे. सेकंड क्या, उसने इधर पे मार्क भी छोड़ दिया था. एंड देन दोनों आईज के आईलाइनर्स इक्वल भी नहीं थे इधर से. तो यस, but if you guys want to try, you can. If you are a beginner, matlab not a beginner, if you just don't know how to apply eyeliner, you can try it once. So if it works for you, good. So the next one is applying mascara on our lower lashes using a plucker. I don't know it will hurt or not, but yes, let's try it. मैंने plucker में mascara apply कर लिया है, as you can see it, I guess. तो try करते हैं. Ooh, it works. थोड़ा लंबा प्रोसेस है, but yes, it works. The mascara on the plugger is drying too fast. I don't know why. इतनी जल्दी अगर लगाने के बाद ड्राई हो जाए तो कितना अच्छा होता है. But yes, it works. Yes, lower lash line पे mascara apply हो चुका है. It's a thumbs up from my side. Cause yes, I liked it. बस the drawback is कि आप देख रहे हो वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे मतलब काफ़ी दूर दूर मेरी लैशेस लग रही हैं. तो I don't know, but yes, okay है. मतलब you guys try it out and let me know in the comment section below कि आपको कैसा लगा. The next hack I saw online is applying ombre lipstick. Let's see if the hack works or not for ombre lips. So here are the lip shades. The lighter shade she used in a video was a concealer, so I'm using a concealer too, and then 2 lip shades. Let's try it out. I hope it turns out good. Darker shade on her outer lips. So I'm doing the same. I guess it will dry out. तब तक मैं सारे लिप शेड्स लगाऊंगी. Okay, wow.
Are you kidding me?
Guys, the hack turned out so good. The only drawback is कि जब तक मेरी सारी लिप शेड्स लगा पाई तब तक मेरी लिपस्टिक वो ड्राई हो चुकी थी. So let me fix this. Okay, so the lipstick hack is done. I loved it. It's a thumbs up from my side. The only drawback was कि बहुत जल्दी लिपस्टिक वो ड्राई हो गई थी, तो ब्लेंड करने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा दिक्कत हुई. बट बाकी yes, I liked it. वैसे ombre lips create करना it's थोड़ा tough, but the hack is nice. I like it. So the next one is mixing our shimmer eyeshadow with a baby oil or a coconut oil. You can use whatever. I have baby oil, तो I am using baby oil right now. Okay. So मैंने baby oil ले लिया है छोटे से कंटेनर में, and I'll put some shimmer eyeshadow in it. I'll show you if it turns out a liquid highlighter or not. So yeah, I have my shimmer eyeshadow here. I'll थोड़ा सा I guess this much is enough अभी try करने के लिए. तो I'll mix it. The consistency is too thin. I need to put some more shimmer in it. ये मैं आपको अपने hands पे apply करके दिखाऊंगी, okay? If it works or not, and if you can use it as a body highlighter or not. I have थोड़ा सा इधर. Let me apply it. Wow, can you see that? It's so nice. Wow. And also it's not that sticky. I'm in love. Wow. Wow, it's so nice. Okay. I'll apply इधर पूरे हाथ में मेरे. Wow. Can you see that? So nice, huh? So nice, and it's not that sticky, guys. It's not at all sticky. I love it. I will use it. Like, it's wow. It's 10 on 10 from my side. It's so good. should I apply it on my cheekbones?
10 seconds later.
फेस पे थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टिकी लग रहा है, बट सो नाइस. वेट, वाओ, this looks so pretty, so pretty. I'm glowing. Okay, now it's enough. I have applied too much of it. You guys let me know in the comment section. आपको अभी तक कौन सा अच्छा लगा? मुझे सबसे अच्छा अभी तक का है this highlighter one. It's Chef Kisses.
Chef Kisses.
Another one is, so I have this white nail paint here. We'll do that French nail paint hack. So nail paint इधर पे है, मैं अभी यहाँ पे apply. Okay. See, not that good. Wait, I'll apply it on my another nail. I didn't like it. It's like Kaam Chalao nail paint thing. नहीं हो रहा है guys. It's fraud. नहीं हो रहा है. It's not at all working. The another one is, I have this glue. This is what I can find इतनी जल्दी में. तो I'm applying it on my nails to see if the nail paint comes off easily or not. We'll let it dry first. So nail paint सूख चुकी है अभी, तो अभी हम इसको रिमूव करके देखेंगे if it really works or not, the hack really works or not. तो the hack really works. मतलब glue लगाने से the nail paint comes off so easily. Yeah, voila, it's done. So I have one more nail paint hack for you guys. This one is most probably the last one. So what we have to do is put this chotu clutcher like this, and we'll put some nail paint now. Let's see कि ये भी काम करता है या नहीं. Is mind blowing. Like, see, the nail paint is so perfect. I'm so in love with this hack. So yes, I have tried all the hacks which I found online. You guys let me know in the comment section below कि आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगा. My favorite was that liquid highlighter and then this nail paint thing, that using a mini clutcher and then applying nail paint over my nail. So guys, that was it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below which hack did you like the most. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.